Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I'm going to share one of the best lenses you can have for your Nikon D3200 as a beginner photographer or cinematographer. I meant to say, if you are a beginner photographer and don't know which lens to go for, this can be the best start for you. Although the results of this lens are not any means amateur, it can create very high quality image despite of its cheap price. It's NIKKOR 50mm prime lens with f1.8G AFS, that's mouthful. AFS stands for autofocus silent, though it's not that much silent. This is the equivalent of Canon's Nifty 50. This lens has an autofocus motor built in. There is another version which is D version, which doesn't have autofocus motor. But there is a catch. If your camera body has an autofocus motor, the D version can also be able to autofocus. So be careful before getting the D version. You may ask, what is the difference between the D version and the G version except the autofocus? It's the price. The D version is cheaper than the G version. It's almost half the price. The D version is almost 100 bucks and the G version is 200 bucks depending on the place you are living. This is the first lens I get with my own money and I still use this lens. The lens diameter is 52mm, so you can attach any 52mm filters on it. It comes with a lens hood as well. The mount is made of metal, but the body is plastic. It feels cheap in your hand. It has 7 diaphragm blades, and the best part of this lens is the aperture it has. It has 1.8 f, which creates a very delicious bokeh in the background which made your photos instantly professional. I also like this lens with Nikon D3200 as Nikon D3200 is a crop sensor camera, so this lens becomes 75mm because of the crop factor which is 1.5. This is a prime lens, so it is obviously a very sharp lens. Just look at the photos it can create. If you give me a choice of having one lens on budget to shoot with my whole life, I will choose this 50mm prime lens. If I'm not on a budget, I will choose 70 to 200mm, but the difference between those both lenses are 20 times. So there is no argument that this is the best budget lens you can have. Also, this is a prime lens and prime lenses are good for learning composition. You have to move around to get good composition. Zoom lenses make you kinda lazy. So that's it for this quick video. If you want more tips and tricks about Nikon D3200, you can check my Nikon D3200 videos. I will add links in the description. So if you like or learned anything from this video, do let me know in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. See you in the next video. Peace.